Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Teri Mayo Karaage don. Karaage is delicious by itself, but today I'm making it into rice bowl with savory teriyaki sauce. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Teri Mayo Karaage don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. For the karaage part, 2 chicken thigh, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sake, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon each of sugar and salt, some garlic and ginger, half a cup each of potato starch or cornstarch and all-purpose flour. For the teriyaki sauce, 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sugar, sake and mirin, and 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch. You also need 2 cups of Japanese rice, some cabbage and mayonnaise, Japanese QP mayo if available. I'm going to start with rice, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so let's add 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's marinate the chicken. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon each of sugar and salt. Grate some garlic, 2 to 3 cloves. And ginger, about a tablespoon. Give it a quick mix. And chicken. You can do this with the skin on or skin off. Today I'm doing it with the skin off. So remove the skin. And trim all the fat. Then cut into chunks. About the size. Into the bowl of seasoning mixture. Rub it well. And let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Let's make some shredded cabbage using vegetable peeler. Release it in cold water for 5 minutes and then drain well. Next is teriyaki sauce. Let's just put everything in a small pot or frying pan. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of sake, 3 tablespoons of sugar. and 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch. Mix it well. Make sure there is no lumpy starch left. Then turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat as you constantly mix it until it becomes glossy and thick. Kill the heat when it's like a caramel. Okay, it's time to cook the rice. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Now, the rice is boiling. Turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer for 12 minutes. Cook for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on and steam at least for 10 minutes. Back to karaage. Prepare a plastic bag and put half a cup of flour and half a cup of starch. Toss the mix. Put the chicken in here. Only the chicken, not the liquid. Dust the chicken. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature. Put down chopstick into the oil. And if small bubbles comes up, that's the right temperature. Let's put the chicken. And fry them for about 5 minutes as you flip them over from time to time. Don't touch them at the beginning. Crust will fall off and you will have naked fried chicken. That's good. Nice and crispy on both sides, so let's take them out. Everything is ready, so let's assemble. Fluff the rice. Then into the bowl. And shredded cabbage like a nest for karaage. Then some karaage. Teriyaki sauce. Let's do some mayo bean. If your mayonnaise comes with a small nozzle, you can use this. But if your mayonnaise in a jar, this is how you do. Prepare some plastic film and put some mayonnaise. Wrap it. And tie with rubber band. poke with toothpick. Then squeeze. Dried parsley if you like. And Teri Mayo Karaage don is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Karaage, cabbage and rice all in one bite. いただきます。Everything tastes so good. Karaage is very crunchy and juicy. Cabbage is crispy but partially wilted. And the rice underneath is so nice and fluffy. Let's forget about the calorie and just enjoy. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Teri Mayo Karaage don is a combination of rice and main, so let's put it here and nothing here. Shredded cabbage replaces one of the side dishes, so nothing here. Some sort of pickles here and mushroom miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.